कैमरा फर्स्ट. सो दिस डायरी किस लिए? ओके, लेट मी डू इट. बता नहीं सकती हूँ. इट वॉज सच क्या बोलते हैं उसको, it was a state of vulnerability proved, and I've got better with that. So मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं मैं कुछ lessons or I should say learnings. I'm a big fan of reading learnings on the it's also a mental system that you're developing, and by mental system I mean when you're exercising and then you are doing reps, like repeat reps you are doing. By the time you are on the 4th rep or the 5th rep, your body just starts giving it up. Says nahi ho sakta, and that is one. Need some stuff for you, like in terms of the learning. I was just jotting it down. So few of the things, and it is not just with respect to like something like a channel that you are running or a video, but it comes across like for anything that you are doing in your life. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल, और आप सुन रहे हैं अपराजिता को. सो आज के ब्लॉग की शुरुआत मैं कुछ 4-5 पे कर रही हूँ, और लाइक इट्स सैटरडे. मेरा काम हो गया है, और जो खुशी मुझे हो रही है काम खत्म होने के बाद मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ. मतलब ये वैसी ही फीलिंग है जब मैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए पढ़ाई करती थी और एग्ज़ाम का सिलेबस ख़त्म हो जाता था, और जो टाइम पीरियड बचता है एग्ज़ाम का आपने सिलेबस ख़त्म कर लिया और थोड़ा फ्री टाइम मिलता है, वो एग्जैक्टली वैसी ही फीलिंग है. सो वो यूफोरिया वाली फीलिंग आती है जब मैं सैटरडे के दिन अपना वो काम ख़त्म कर लेती हूँ. आई जस्ट फील सो गुड एंड आई कांट टेल यू. और वो मुझे मोटिवेट करता है और काम करने के लिए, और शायद इसीलिए मैं रेडी हूँ आज के ब्लॉग की शूटिंग के लिए, कुछ बातें करने के लिए. हाँ कि क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, क्या नहीं कर रही हूँ. सो या आज मैं So let's start with today's vlog and let's start and talk about something. Just a minute, let me fix the camera first. So this diary किस लिए? Okay, let me do it. Yes, my daddy is so happy. सो हम आज बात करने जा रहे हैं. किस बारे में हम बात करेंगे? सो आज मैंने कुछ स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है. मैं वीडियो बहुत ही इम्प्रॉम्प्टू शूट करती हूँ. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम आई शूट माई वीडियो वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू इन द मोमेंट थॉट आई और लिख दी. पर मैं हमेशा उतना ही नर्वस फील करती हूँ अपनी वीडियो शूट करते हुए जैसे मैं अपनी पहली वीडियो करती थी. सो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा नर्वस जब मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो शूट की थी और मैंने उसको यूट्यूब पे अपलोड किया था. मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ. इट वॉज सच क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इट वॉज अ स्टेट ऑफ vulnerability दैट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अक्रॉस माई सेल्फ ऑन टू फॉर द पब्लिक इन समथिंग आई एम नॉट रियली गुड एट इट. लेकिन इन द प्रोसेस मैंने रियलाइज किया है आप पैदा नहीं होते किसी काम को सीख के. ग्रेजुअली द मोर यू पुट इट अक्रॉस योर सेल्फ, वो वनरेबिलिटी हमेशा रहेगी. कोई भी बड़ी चीज़ आप करने चाहिए तो वो वनरेबिलिटी आएगी. हाउ आई वुड बी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन, एंड वो थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन होती है. सो ओवर द टाइम पीरियड आई थिंक आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड एंड आई हैव गॉट बेटर विद दैट. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं मैं कुछ लेसन्स और आई शुड से learnings. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ रीडिंग learnings on the way. मैं लोगों से सीखना, बात करके उनसे क्या मैं सीख सकती हूँ हमेशा. सो आई एम इन अ कॉन्स्टेंट state and urge of learning something from everyone inspires me, even somebody as small as जो घर में आके खाना बनाता है, झाड़ू पोछा करता है, उससे भी मैं कुछ ना कुछ हार्ड वर्क के बारे में सीखती रहती हूँ. सो ये मेरा इन्नेट नेचर है, मैं लोगों से सीखती रहती हूँ. सो मैंने सोचा मैं खुद की जर्नी से क्या सीख पाई हूँ. आज मैं बैठ के वही स्क्रिबल कर रही थी. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रेडी विथ अ स्क्रिप्ट इन द सेंस कुछ पॉइंटर्स जहाँ पे मैं एम्फेसाइज करना चाहूँगी, कुछ बताना चाहूँगी, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू पुट इट अक्रॉस टू यू. सो टू बिगिन विथ लेट मी स्टार्ट. सो दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस. सो मेरा पर्सनली ऐसा मानना है आप सबसे ज़्यादा लर्न तब करते हैं जब आप किसी भी थॉट को एक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. टिल द टाइम इट इज इन योर हेड स्पेस, इट्स नॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ रियलिटी, इट मेक्स नो सेंस. सो yeah, action is very important, and the moment you enter into an action mode बहुत ज़्यादा vulnerability आती है. how my performance looks like. And it's a very courageous act to put across yourself in those situations जहाँ पे आपकी vulnerability बहुत high है, but आप courageously वहाँ पे अपने आप को put across करते हैं. कुछ लोग कभी courage नहीं ले पाएंगे कुछ चीज़ों को करने का. That's completely their call. I'm just talking about people who are courageous enough to put their things across. With a high level of vulnerability, I'll be judged, I will be criticized, but that's the harsh truth. If you like something, you have to put it across to the critics of the people, and it is during the process of criticism that you get to know yourself more and the learnings really become important. So I thought maybe I'll try to put across few of those learnings. Yeah, this is my journal diary, gratitude diary, morning, early in the morning or evening, whenever I get time, I just like to scribble in my diary. एक खत्म होने वाली है, मैंने इसमें इतना लिखा है, but however कुछ pages अभी भी बचे हुए हैं. So I just thought I'll just read some stuff for you, like in terms of the learning. I was just jotting it down. So few of the things, and it is not just with respect to like something like a channel that you are running or a video, but it comes across like for anything that you are doing in your life, and that these are the things that can play a really very crucial role. So to begin with, consistency. Consistency, by consistency I mean is not just doing every day, of course, and consistency, by consistency I'm meaning that turning out every time. I mean, even the days your heart is sinking, you're so afraid, you're so nervous, you don't want to go and face the camera, you don't want to speak because people have criticized you so much, people have talked so much about you, people even might have laughed down on you. I mean, at the back what happens you do not know. So consistency is, despite knowing these things are happening behind you, you still have the courage to do it one more time. In fact, I've learned it through also my journey of consistently exercising, that exercise is not just about that you are making muscles and building. It's also a mental system that you're developing, and by mental system I mean when you're exercising and then you are doing reps, like repeat reps you are doing, by the time you are on the 4th rep or the 5th rep, your body just starts giving it up. Says नहीं हो सकता, and that is one more time you says एक और कर लो, your just the muscle memory increases and it takes it, and next time you'll be doing the 4th and the 5th rep together. So that is what I mean by consistency. Consistency is turning out despite knowing whether you would be able to do, whether you would not be able to do. Is just that showing up there and being there. That is really very important, that I have learned in my journey. So it applies to everything. It can be something as simple as you are a student and you know this subject is really very difficult, I can't study this, I can't understand this. Just turn out, open the book, read it one more time, open the notes, read it one more time, and just don't give up. It really plays a huge role, and therefore consistency is really important. And by consistency I mean turning out even on the days when you are really not in that state of mind, you are really very not in that zone to come, and still you turn out. That really makes a difference because it gives you another level of mental resilience. So that's for the consistency. That's number one lesson that I learned. You do not know what works, what does not work. The only thing you have in your control is to just turn out one more time and do it. And there are days when you would be questioning yourself, what am I doing, where am I going? I mean, this is a constant struggle. I don't know whether it's only with reference to the YouTube channel that you find this, but however I found it with respect to everything that we are doing, the question keeps on consistently coming, where am I going, what am I doing, is it even making sense, right? So that tussle will keep on happening. And that's part of your inner critic talking to you. It will always say it's not working, it's not doing. So yeah, you have to turn out even on those days when you question yourself, where am I going? So you have to turn out, you have to show up even on the days when you're questioning, where are you going? I mean, there can be there would be days where you would not be in that state, like even in the frame of mind and knowing where you are heading ahead. You do not know the path ahead, you do not know where you are going, but you have to take one more step. You do not see with clarity what the end goal looks like, but taking one step after this another step is what is going to make a difference. Like for example, it also goes with reference to the exercise. So बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं I'm not losing my weight, I'm not losing my weight. It's not about losing the weight. Consistently be there. Next day wake up and do your exercise. Next day wake up. One day there will be a time when you will be like, I was not able to make out where I'm going to land up, but eventually I landed up where I was supposed to. So that is really very important. So the days even when you question yourself, where am I going, what am I doing, please make sure that you turn out. That's very important. Third is, don't take criticism from those who are not in your field. Criticism is not to be taken from everyone. If you are not going to take advice from people, don't take criticism from such people. And yeah, someone who is in your field is the good person to give you a criticism, right? And someone who is not there, why would you take their criticism? So that I have learned it really hard way. Every person is giving you some sort of criticism and telling you this is where the problem is, this is where the problem is, this is where the problem is. But my only question to them is, are you there doing it? If you are not there doing it, if you are not making a YouTube channel, if you are not running a YouTube channel, if you are not making a content, are you even in a position to give me that criticism? Is it your ego talking just to put me down and say such stuff? Please have a look into it. But I personally, I've stopped taking criticism from the people who are not in the field. If you can't motivate me, don't demotivate me. That's another thing that I learned really hard way. Earlier, I used to listen to everyone giving their Gyan Bhandara and every staff they are telling this. You're not there in the field doing it. How do you even get that space to criticize me? If you are doing it, well and good, I'll take your criticism in that spirit. If you're not there, why do you want to criticize me? And that tells a lot about you. So yeah, that I have learned hard way. So don't take criticism from the people who are not in your field, not doing what you are doing, and then they are giving their gyan. Lastly, create a support group who can really help you grow. There are very less people who you will come across in your life who genuinely really want you to grow. Most of the people don't want you to grow. So please find that support group. Everyone who's smiling and telling you, yeah, this. No, please don't trust everyone. There are very limited selected set of people who are really going to support you in your growth journey. Very less people, and they are truly gem of a person. Everybody else is just not going to support you, and it's completely okay. You will feel disheartened. Not everyone in this world is supposed to invest for your growth, and they are a very rare breed of people who really invest in your growth, and those are the people you should always look up to. You can make them as your mentor. Anything, like you can make them like I said, most of the people are not interested in your group. So the support group, you should make them they're your mentor, or they can help into your growth. But anybody else who is not interested in your growth, please don't look up to them. People themselves are so insecure in their own spaces that they cannot give you a space that you are seen growing. The moment they see you grow, all comes down. So these are few things one should focus on. So anything that you are starting with, and I'm not saying you may start making a YouTube channel or other stuff. I'm just saying it's a journey that I'm learning on the way. So when you are doing difficult things in the sense you are expressing what you want to do and explore in your life, you will come across a lot of criticism, and these are the 4 pointers you should always keep in mind when you are on that journey. If a mentor is there, well and good. If you are without a mentor, then in such a situation you have to figure it out. I have found my mentors in books, like something like Oprah Winfrey has really inspired me with the way she put across her thought. I really get inspired. Maya Angelou is also, her thoughts really inspires me. Similarly, I mean, there are a number of people I look up to online. They are there in their space. Anybody else, you can look into their advices. But yeah, your journey is going to be your journey. So there are 4 things you have to keep in mind when you are starting any thing. First is consistency. Please show up, and showing up is more important on the days you feel like giving up. That is really very important. That one set of exercise which you feel like you cannot do it is really going to make a difference. The days when you don't feel like waking up from your bed and you feel like I can't do this, turning up and doing it really makes a difference. So consistency is really very important. Second is, don't take criticism from those who are not in your field. Please don't take criticism from the people who are not doing the work that you are doing, because you exclusively know that work, or the person who is doing that work. Anybody else is just not going to make the sense. Third is, create a support group. Everyone is not your supporter. Everyone is not your supporter. Selected people who really interested in your growth are the one who are going to invest in you. Not everyone is there to support you. Find those set of people who can really support you in your growth. Yeah, so that's it from Prajita Tail vlog. And yes, these are the learnings. Please maintain a gratitude journal. Please maintain a daily journal just to write what you are doing, what you are thinking, what you want to do, what is your self-expression looks like, how do you want your life to look like. Scribble it, write it down, pour it down, put all your heart into your diary, just express it there. The moment you convert your thought into writing, it becomes much more easier to make it into action. The moment you move into action, you'll come across a lot of challenges, and that is where your journey begins. The moment your challenges enter into life, you know it, you have entered into the right path. Now it's your willpower which will help you to cross that challenges. Yeah, so that's it with the lessons on the way of running my YouTube channel that I've come across. I'm not saying I'm a success, I'm not saying I'm a failure. I'm just saying that I'm on a journey, exploring, figuring out what is working, what is not working, something that is close to my heart. I just really want to do it, and I just love it. And these are the few things that I have learned on to the way. Yeah, and also, like I said, you can read a lot of books. I am a big fan of reading books, so I do that often. You can also figure it out. That's it from a Prajita Tail vlog. By the way, the spring season, the summer, the mix of it is making me feel so good. I got such a high dopamine rush the moment I finished my today's to-do list. I was so happy and it felt so good. And it's all like when you turn on the fan and when you sleep on your bed with the fan on, and that feeling of softness that's coming with the spring and summer makes it so nice. You're feeling so lighter when it comes to your clothes. You're feeling so lighter when it comes to being in this zone. And I'm really loving this space where you are not all sweaty, and also you are not feeling very cold, somewhere in between, a moderate season. That's really making me kick to do the things that I want to. So that's it from Prajita Tail vlogs. Do like and comment.